Welcome to Feature Friday, where we explore some of the very cool functions in our Roof Wizard software. Today I want to look at the situation where I might require a bunch of polycarbonate roof lights in our barn roof here. So we've got our 36-inch panel already applied to the roof, and we've got a cut list for that as it is, with the total length of coil and the waste factor. Most of that waste is a consequence of the hip and valley. But now I come over here and under cover, select the function cover one panel. So I'll change it to the polycarbonate profile, that one down there. And now it wants to know which ones will I change. So I want that one and that one and that one and that one to be polycarbonate, and maybe just for symmetry we'll put some on the other side. There we go. So there are our polycarbonate roof lights. And you want to change those? Yes, we do. And the good thing about that is now when I generate my cutting list, I get two cutting lists. One for the standard 36-inch panel and one list for my polycarbonate panels. And that's it. Hope that was helpful. See you next time on Feature Friday.